Health management solutions is a portfolio of services and solution and offerings which are bringing to the customer three main things. First of all is a reduction of the overall cost to maintain and operate the equipment. Second, an overall improvement of availability and performances of the same equipment. And then the third is the peace of mind that comes from transferring the risk, a portion of the risk that our customers are encountering while operating the equipment, actually to the OEM manufacturer, to Rolls-Royce. And this at a predictable or even fixed cost. And to do that, we are putting in an offering called Power by the Hour of vessel health management. And with Power by the Hour, we are try to address the main risks that our customers are encountering during the operation. Whether it's a risk related to the cost, then we can offer a fixed, predictable cost. We can offer the covering the cost of the unplanned maintenance into the fixed fee. Whether the cost comes from, the risk comes from safety or comes from the risk of fire, then we are using health equipment monitoring system, condition monitoring system to prevent an issue from escalating and taking the vessel of fire. We can actually also use remote assistance and remote access in order to intervene when the vessel is during a mission, and if a problem happens, we can take the vessel as quickly as possible back to operation. And when if the risk comes for actually not having a job, if today you go off the coast to Bergen, you can see all of our customers, all the vessels are lined up on dock. Well, we want to be there with our customers and make sure that if they are not operating, they are not taking the cost. They reduce the cost to maintain their equipment. So we offer opportunity. Again, we can use condition monitoring system to maintain only the equipment that really needs to be maintained, and then we are offering opportunity to have a fixed cost, and then we are helping our customer to take the equipment health management hardware on board the vessel, helping them to abate the cost of the investment to take the technology on board. And not the least, we are offering our customer the opportunity to pay as you go, or actually pay a fee of maintenance of the equipment only when they operate. So they reduce the cost, they abate the cost when they are not operating. Here, the message is we want to partner our customers in the risk that they are taking while operating, and we want to take on some of this risk, helping our customer. The cost saving, as I mentioned before, comes from different. Cost saving is one of the elements of risk in operating the equipment. When we talk about specifically about the element of cost, then I think one of the biggest improvement and technology that we have introduced regards the condition monitoring system and also the reliability monitoring system. The idea is that we use the SATA model, sense, acquire, transfer, and analyze and act to actually collect data, sense the real condition of the equipment in operation, acquire this data, pre-process, and then transfer them ashore. And then from ashore, without interfering with the operation, we actually continuously analyze the data that we get, and then we can predict, we can see patterns of the generation of the performances of the equipment and make sure that we can pick up this early enough, enact preventive maintenance to make sure that the customer doesn't get in a situation where it has to take off or fire the vessel, and that's a cost for the customer. And also make sure that we do the maintenance when it's the cheapest for the customer and not during an operation. The overall cost then comes into the picture also with the reliability monitor. We do not use only the data from the condition monitoring on your vessel. We actually have a huge fleet of Rolls-Royce equipment which is sailing worldwide, and we have a history more than 50, 60 years of maintenance of the equipment. And we can put together all this big data and have a complete picture of reliability, data-driven reliability, so we know what equipment need to be maintained and when need to be maintained. All of these we then put together, and then for your vessel, we know exactly when your equipment need to be maintained and make sure that we reduce the overall cost of maintenance. We can build an equipment maintenance plan which is specific for your vessel and specific for your type of operation. We have an opportunity here, you have an opportunity here to have Rolls-Royce to be a partner in operating together with you and take over off your shoulder a portion of the risk. And this portion of the risk in maintenance equipment is what we are good at. We know our equipment, we know how to maintain our equipment, and therefore we can reduce this risk. So there's an opportunity for both of us here to operate together.